This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the rear wiper on a 2014 Ford Expedition. Begin by lifting the wiper arm off the glass and holding it steady, then remove the plastic cap at the base to expose the nut. Use a socket to loosen the nut, lift off the old blade and arm carefully, and clean the mounting area. Keep parts organized and wear gloves to protect your hands during the swap. This next part covers tools and safety before you start removing the wiper arm. Gather a 10 mm socket, ratchet, flat screwdriver, and a replacement rear wiper blade, plus gloves and a clean rag. Park the vehicle on level ground, engage the parking brake, and turn off the ignition so the wiper motor is at rest. Double-check the replacement fits the 2014 Expedition model before you proceed to avoid. Now I'll walk through the installation steps to secure the new rear wiper blade. Align the new arm onto the spline shaft, seat it fully, and thread the nut by hand to avoid cross-threading. Tighten the nut with the 10 mm socket until snug but do not over-tighten, then snap the plastic cap back into place. Test the wiper by briefly turning it on to confirm correct travel and wipe pattern before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.